Hello students, today we're going to talk about how to sign up and get started with your Padlet.com project for the Giver Compare and Contrast project. So to start off, you're going to head to Padlet.com. When you get to Padlet.com, you'll see this homepage that they provide. Note that on the bottom, there are app versions of Padlet if you have a mobile device. They have it both for Apple devices and Android devices. For right now though, I'm going to show you how to use the computer version of Padlet.com. So one more time, Padlet.com, and you will get or arrive to this home page. When you get here, you're going to click Login. If you're on a Chrome base, Chromebook, Chromebox, any Chrome computer, you can go ahead and click Login with Google. If you're not on a Chromebook or Chrome base or Chromebox, still click Login with Google because your email addresses for school is a Google account. So by clicking Login with Google, it will send you straight to this page. It will access your TRSD Google account and will sense that you're already logged in. If you're not on a Chrome or Google device, it might ask you for your email. Your email is your first name dot your last name at trsdstudents.org. So that's first dot last at trsdstudents.org. And that is only usually if you are using a non-Google device. So once you hit login with Google, it'll bring you to this page where you will provide access offline. Click allow. It'll bring you to your dashboard. Your dashboard will look slightly different than mine because I have a whole bunch of Padlets created already. But for you, what you're going to do is you're going to make a Padlet. If you're in a partner situation, both of you need to sign into your Padlet, but only one person is to make a Padlet. So I am now going to be that one person making a Padlet. However, my partner is in Padlet.com, signed in, but they're waiting for me to make a Padlet. If you're not in a partner situation, you simply just make a Padlet. All right, make a Padlet. It'll load up your Padlet. For some people, it'll most likely give you some ads. There will be a skip button on the very top right. You can just hit skip if it gives you any ads, or if it wants you to upgrade and pay, you can hit no thanks or skip. So when you get past those ads, it'll bring you to your actual Padlet and it'll give you a modify option. Please change the title to The Giver. And for description, I want your first name and your last name. If you are in a partner situation, I want their first name and their last name as well. Next step, under layout, you're going to change it to stream. Freedom and grid, they get messed up. The reason why I don't want you to use these. Freedom can be very chaotic and confusing with moving your posts around, and grid contorts the images that you're going to end up uploading. So go ahead and use stream. Wallpaper, up to your own discretion. There's a whole bunch of wallpapers. Choose something that is not very chaotic. You want something subtle because you want your posts to pop and be easy to read. If you use something very chaotic, it's going to be a little bit more confusing and harder to read your posts. So something subtle, something calming, something easy. All right, you're going to click, once you select your wallpaper, you are good to go to next. Under next, and this will be under people and privacy, this is only for the people that are in a partner situation. If you are not in a partner situation, meaning if you don't have a partner, just click next. If you do have a partner, this is what you're going to do. Click on Can Write and click Moderate. So I changed from Can Write and I changed it to Can Moderate. Your next step is to enter in the username of your partner. So remember, only one person has created a Padlet, and that one person is now going to share this Padlet project with their partner. To do that, you type in their first name, underscore, their last name. The underscore button looks like this. That's what an underscore looks like. To put that in, you hold down Shift and you click the key to the right of 0. So it's the dash key. You hold down Shift and you click the dash key. So one more time, their username is usually their first name, underscore, their last name. And as you can see, users pop up. So most likely if you get like halfway done with their last name, they will probably pop up here. So then you just click on that person and then you'll click Next. And what that does, that gives them editing privileges to this Padlet. So they can edit it while you are also editing it. So you can both edit it at once. When you do that, you then are ready to start posting. Click Start Posting. All right, so you're now at your official Padlet homepage where you can start posting your similarities and differences. There's 2 ways to post. You can double click to add a post, or you can click the plus sign. Either or, up to you. I'm going to show you what to do and how to add images on a post. I'm not going to show you how to do each one. I'm just going to show you how to do one of them. So the first image should be the Giver title book and the cover. So the Giver, and what I like to do is I like to say by Lois Lowry. Always acknowledge the author. All right, halfway done with the Giver cover. The next step is to add an image. If you look down here, you have all these little options. You're going to click the plus sign to add an attachment. When you get there, it's going to ask you to choose a file, or you can add in a link from the web. This is what you're going to use from the web. You're going to add in a link. So in a new tab, you're going to open it up and you're going to type in Google The Giver, and you're going to go to Google Images. And now you have a whole bunch of options for the cover. I like to use the actual book cover. You right click, so what I do is I clicked on that image to expand it, and now I'm going to right click on it and I have a whole bunch of options. What you now do is you hit Copy Image Address. When you click Copy Image Address, it copies the address of that image. So where now you go back to your Padlet and you're going to right click, Paste. I just copied the image address into here, and I'm going to click the arrow and it brings up the picture. I hit OK and it attaches it. Okay? So here is my cover. To add in a new post, you double click, it will put it to the top, and the next one will be the plot chart. The reason why I'm adding this in is because I want to show you how you can rearrange your posts. So the plot chart should go after the cover. The way it works is it goes cover, plot chart, similarities, and then your differences. That's the order it should go in. So I want to drag plot chart below the Giver. However, because the Giver cover is so large, I'm going to actually drag the Giver above plot chart. And now that is at the top. So all you do to do that is you click and hold, and then you're going to drag it. If I just let go right now, it's not going to do it. What you need to do is you need to drag it above to where you see that little pop. I'm going to show you that again. So what will happen is the Giver book will do a little pop. You need this pop in order to put it above your previous post. You see how the Giver popped down right there? Now this is ready to sit at the top. Okay? So that is how you rearrange your posts. Now that you have all this information, you are ready to start your actual project. This video contains all the information you need to be successful in adding images and adding posts and successfully starting up your Padlet account. Good luck.